So let us now try to understand the two things which are mentioned by Maharishi Piplad in this Upanishad, Surya and Chandra. And like a pran means the life force, as well as very deeply what he said about the ray, the chandrama, chandra and surya. What we do, today's experiment will be connected to your both the nerves. What we will be doing it, first inhale exhale through the left continuously 5 rounds. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Everybody sit in straight position. Inhale, exhale from the left. Inhale, exhale from the left. 5 deep inhale, deep exhale. Keep your spine straight. 5 deep, like this, very deep as you can go. 5 deep inhale, deep exhale from the left. This is Chandra. This is matter. Very deep as you can. Continue, keep on going deep, as deep as possible. 5 times. We will try to understand this combination, what has been given by the matter and the life. Right now, you are inhaling, exhaling the matter, the Chandra, trying to be with the worldly side, which is visible to the mankind through the eyes. Very good. Go deep, very deep, very deep. Another one more round. Go one more round. From the left inhale, left exhale, left inhale, left exhale. Continue. More deep, more deep, more deep. Very good. Go deep, go deep. Very nice, very nice. Last. And then very gently bring your hands down. Eyes closed for a moment. Feeling something deep into the left nostril. Be present there. More presence, deep presence. Very deep. And now we close the left nostril and start breathing from the right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Very deep, very powerful. Stay there. Very deep, very nice, very powerful. Continue. Very special. And now last round. And now with this last breath, bring your hands down for a moment. Take one balancing breath. And now what you are going to do, just look at me. We will be making the cup with these 3 fingers like this. 2 fingers will be here on the head. Thumbs will be closing the ear like this. And you have to hold your breath as long as you can, and initially humming sound You have to keep on doing till it start happening. Humming sound like this. Awareness will be in your entire skull. You need not to stretch your shoulders like this. Your shoulders can be relaxed like this. Keep your shoulders relaxed, and it should be continuously awareness inside your skull and your face and head. Then whatever happens, you continue. In the beginning, we are putting our efforts, stage will come, it will become effortless. And then it starts happening. Let's start now. Everybody, very good. Continue. Very good. Very deep. Allow it to happen. Movements will be there, inner movements of the Shakti with your sound. Very good. Go deep, as deeper as possible. बहुत अच्छा. Continue. Very good. Very deep. Very profound. Allow it. Continue. Continue. It is happening. Doing and happening. Continue. Very good. Very powerful meditation. Continue. Let it happen. Very profound. Allow it. Allow it to happen. Allow it to happen. Divine grace and Shakti is blessing us. Very nice. Continue. 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 Very powerful. Continue. Continue. Allow it to happen. Allow it to happen. Very nice. Total surrender and continue. Total surrender and continue. 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 Very good. Continue. It is happening. It is happening. Let it happen. The more you surrender, the more you get connected with the prana, with the sun, with the Brahma. Continue. Continue. Very good. Very good. Continue. Continue. Very good. Continue. Very good. Very good. Very good. Continue. Allow it. Allow it. Profound connection. Surrender. Let it happen. बहुत अच्छा. Excellent. It is happening. Very good. More powerful. More powerful. More Shakti. Big Shakti. Allow it to happen. Very good. Very good. It is happening. Let it happen. Let it happen. Higher, higher, higher. More high, more high, more high. Continue. Let it happen. Continue. Journey continue. Connection continue. Resonance continue. Profound connection continue. Very good. Let it happen. Very nice. Continue, 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 continue. Let it happen. Let it happen. Full surrender. Full surrender. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. More deep. More deep. More profound. More Shakti. More Shakti. More Shakti. More Shakti. Higher, higher, higher. Continue. Universal connection. Divine connection. It is happening. It is happening. Let it happen. More you surrender, the more you are connected. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Beautiful, beautiful. Let go. Very nice. Divine path, divineness, divine connection. You are absolutely doing nothing. Everything is happening now. Full surrender and allow the happening. Total surrender. Allow the happening. Allow the happening. Very good. Very good. Allow the happening. Let go. Let go. Let go. Very special. Very special. Let go. 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 It is happening. It is happening. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Continue. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. More deep, profound. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. And with gratitude, with thankfulness, let us all chant the divine sound. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Immense peace, divine peace flowing all around. And with gratefulness, very gently rub your palms and cover your face for a few moments. Watch and witness, and slowly, slowly rub your face and may please come back and may open your eyes. बहुत अच्छा. Welcome back to the mundane world. You may share your experience or if any question there during your meditation, please feel free to say. Go ahead. Anybody, please share your experience.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Today I was not well. I was feeling fever and cough and cold and severe headache I had before starting this meditation. Even I was not able to sit and attend this session. I had a very high fever. And doing this in initial, I started sweating too much heat produced in my body, and now very gradually it settled down, and its temperature is normal, and the headache was vanished like it was amazing, amazing. It's the too much back in my back head, no, it was severe headache, and now I'm uh, it's a
Do you have a
immediate
shawl? Do you have a shawl there with you right now?
no, I don't. I have to go for to
Cover,
take that.
cover yourself with the shawl right now. Take it with.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah, first take it and then I'll talk to you. Take the shawl and
Okay, Guruji.
yeah, yeah. Shawl or blanket, whatever you have.
Okay.
See, this is something to understand. Why the yogic scriptures are saying meditation is the best. Now, we have not given any medicine to her. I remember in Ayurveda, sometime when there is a fever, Ayurveda doctor will give you some program, some medicine, some herb, and will tell that take it hot with hot water or make it chai, herbal chai, and then cover yourself with the shawl. You will get lot of sweat and fever will go away. All the toxins from the body will go out and you will be healthy. Now, this is something reminds me when I was child, I used to go as a child out of curiosity to some Ayurveda doctors playing that sometimes they used to give children, we call it gatagat. Here in Indian language, gatagat means something very nice, small, tasty chocolates. I interacted some of the Ayurveda masters during my early days. So this is what happened is something a miraculous kind of transformation. You can see here, it is not any ordinary or extraordinary kind of thing. This is a divine intervention. Like you invoke the prana, which is pervading everywhere, omnipresent, Sarvagya, Sarvashaktiman, and that prana started healing her. So this is something to understand. That is why I always recommend, even if you are having a sickness, you are unable to move from your bed, start practicing some sort of techniques. There are some techniques available in yoga therapy which can heal such kind of conditions and one can go in a better way. So they start empowering you. They will start giving you more Shakti. This is what happens. And a live example is in front of all of us, that what we are seeing her, that pain is gone, fever is also almost looks like that she's free from the fever. The sweat which has come is out, is the release of the toxins from the system. This is something very good. Then why I told her to cover with the shawl or blanket, so that now she may feel sometime cold also immediately after this. So before it again goes into the other side, we should be just balancing ourselves. It's an act of balance, hot and cold. Now toxins are releasing. More may go out if we are covered with that. So more heat is there, so more will go. So this is something very good. Enjoy your moment. Congratulations. Well
Thank you,
done.
Guruji. Thank
Very,
you.
very good. Now, this is a good sign for all of, because some of them are here yoga therapists also. They have done some yoga therapy program also. Now, that is why I always used to say that these things are possible. And these are the live demonstration, live example happening in front of all of us. All right. Anybody else would like to add on to anything else? Anything else you want to say, Archana?
Ji Guruji.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm so sorry. I'm always asking again and again. I'm really
Go ahead,
so
go ahead.
sorry for this. My family was teasing me. This is your exam fever. So I just need add more blessings in for all of us who are participating in day after tomorrow. So, so
All the best.
headache was really, Guruji. It's gone like a miraculous way. When I ask you question regarding this Prashnopanishad, so my I was hardly I was speaking able to speak even that time, and now I'm feeling it's. Thank you,
Very
Guruji.
good.
Thank you so much.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
very good, very good. All right. Masita, you are asking something? Please go ahead.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om,
Thank,
Hari Om, Hari Om. What is the
thank
time in
you
India?
so much.
What is the time?
It's 10:26
Okay, okay, okay. Very
in the
nice. Very.
evening. Yeah.
Please go
Normally
ahead.
I sleep. Yes, I also had a lot of sweat, but curiously enough, not all throughout my body, but only it's strange. Along my spine at the back, just there, and not very hot, but lots of sweat. Yeah, I still have it there and feel it. It's now cool, but it was only through the spine on the back. That's
Very.
one question.
Hmm.
And the second question, perhaps I'm imbalanced in my prana rayi. I had only sound on my right ear, just like tuk, 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 like a kind of machine, but only on the right ear. Something is imbalanced. And I used to do the primary Saregama Padanisa, but I forgot that. It was really 10 years ago. I knew that all, but so that I did it do re mi fa sol la si do, and it was different, very different, and I felt the most comfortable and very high. And then it began like something turning around, like a wheel. So here.
Very
So
good.
I stayed on there very high. It's night, but really not very loud. So
Very.
that was 3 questions.
So number one question, you felt lot of heat in your spine. Now your spine is 16 years now, only 16. Spine become younger. So right ear is 17 and left ear is 16. So you have to make 1 year difference between your 2 ears. And when you are feeling high, all the best, go and fly. बहुत अच्छा. Now she has disappeared. Her photograph is disappeared. बहुत अच्छा. All right, very good, Very nice. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, Masita. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. So don't worry. All the things are going very well. Continue practicing this. It will really give to more in-depth, more light insight. बहुत अच्छा. Any one question? We can take one more before we conclude the session of the day. Anybody got any question? Or anyone want to share his or her experience? Matara Anand, you are smiling a lot. What happened to you? You can share your experience. Go ahead.
Hariom. It was a lot of heat, actually, and it was heat around my head. It went down the spine a bit, but it remained around my head, and inside the head, which is very interesting. A lot of sweat as well. The heat throughout the body produced a bit of sweat, and there was the humming produced a very soft vibration that at some point became it was very subtle, but I was very aware of the vibration going on throughout the body. And also humming, there was like I was singing on two voices at the same time. I'm not sure how to explain this, but there was a hum on the hum. And I was, it's very interesting. But yes, I think this is what we all felt, serious heat. And after that, a very soft and calming sensation, which I see on everybody's faces at this moment. Yes.
Very
so this is my experience.
बहुत अच्छा. Very nice. Very nice. So it is a nice evening for Indian time, but for some of the time it is late night. Some of you are having early morning and all. So wish you all the best to everybody to enjoy your weekend. Continue your studies, continue your practice, continue your life with more joy. All the best and blessings to everybody. Hari Om.
Hariom, thank you very much, Guruji.
Hariom Guruji.
Hariom,
Thank you
everybody.
very much. Thank you so much.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hariom.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hariom.
Hari Om.